In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Agile project management in Wrike. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find and apply a ready-made Agile template so you can start managing your work in sprints with minimal setup. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace. On the upper left side of your screen, look for your profile icon. This is usually a small circle with your initials or an image. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a menu that gives you access to your personal settings, account options, and, most importantly for this tutorial, the Templates area. From the menu that appears, find and click on Templates and Solutions. This section is Wrike's library of pre-built workflows and project structures. Instead of building an Agile system from scratch, you'll be able to use one of Wrike's templates as a foundation. This not only saves you time, but also helps you follow Agile best practices without needing to configure every detail manually. Once the Templates and Solutions window is open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click inside that search bar and type the word Agile. As you type, Wrike will filter the available templates to show you options related to Agile project management. This might include Agile boards, sprint-based frameworks, or project setups designed specifically for Agile teams. After the search results load, look through the Agile-related templates Wrike suggests. When you see the Agile project management template that matches your needs, click to select it. You can usually preview a short description of what the template includes, such as boards for backlog, in-progress tasks, and completed work, as well as sample tasks or suggested workflows. Take a moment to glance through this so you know what you're about to add to your workspace. Once you've decided this is the right Agile template, look for the Use Template button and click on it. Wrike will then guide you through applying the template to your account. Typically, you'll be asked to choose where in your workspace you want to place it and what you want to name it. After that, Wrike automatically creates the project structure, statuses, and views included in the template. From there, you can start customizing. Rename sections to match your team's terminology, add your own tasks to the backlog, and adjust sprint durations. But the essential setup, finding the Agile template and putting it to work in your Wrike account, comes from these simple steps you've just followed.